I am A. Pradeep, working as an assistant professor in the department of EEE. So now we are going to discuss about the power electronics subjects. So the power electronics, the second unit for the phase controlled converters. So here what is the phase controlled converter? So the converter is mean for it's a convert one form to another form. So here the first converter we have to see going to see in a power electronics. So the first converter is a phase controlled rectifier. So the rectifier is means it's a convert AC supply to the DC supply. That means you are giving as a input supply to the circuit is a AC supply. You can receive as a output supply for as a DC supply. So that is the representation for rectifier. That is a AC is mean for as a AC is mean for alternating current and DC is mean for as a direct current. This conversion is classified into as a two types. One is for uncontrolled converter, then controlled converter. Uncontrolled converter means we have used it for as a diode is as a your conversion material, that is mean for electronics component. Then here controller is mean for thyristors are used. So the uncontrolled means we can't control the circuit by using the diodes. But the control means it's possible to the control your device or circuit by using the thyristors. So this is a classification of the rectifiers. So based on the input supply we can classify it into as a single phase and a three phase. So why we have to classify it as a single phase and a three phase means, so is a input supply is mean for as a AC supply. So AC supply is possible to give for us a two way of the supply. One is for us a single phase and a three phase. Then we will move on to the quadrant operation. So that is means single quadrant, second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Then based on the pulses means you can trigger your device to operate your thyristor in the circuit by using the pulses. That pulses, based on the pulses we can classify it into as a 1 pulse, 2 pulse, 3 pulse and 6 pulses. So this is a major classification of the rectifiers. Then why we need to study about the rectifiers? So that is mean for what is the application where we are using these rectifiers. So wherever we need it, the output of the DC supply by using the AC supply, so we can use it these rectifiers. So that is the DC motor speed control. Okay, so in many of the laboratories or the educational systems we are using for as a DC motors. So that DC motor is controlled by using the AC supply. So these rectifiers will be connected connected then converters, then inverters. So where we need for as a DC supply inverters, so we can use it. Then electrochemical process. So electrochemical process means it's a combined with the electrical and the chemical relations. Then traction, DC traction. Then the power transmission, that is mean for us a HVDC transmission. So that is means, so nowadays earlier days we are using for us a AC transmission. So now we will move on for the DC transmission. So that is a high voltage direct current transmission. That kind of the purpose we need to convert from AC supply to the DC supply. So that kind of the systems we can use it for as a HVDC transmission. Then next, so what is the operations of the power converters? That is a phase control converters. So is classified into as a single phase and three phases. So the single phase, so it is possible we have to convert AC supply to the DC supply in the three phases. One is a semi converter, full converter and also is a dual converter. So both single phase and three phases we can use it for the three conversion methods. Then what is the semi-converter? So the semi-converter is mean for us a one quadrant operation and also is have for us a one polarity. So that is mean for us a semi-converter. Then full converter. So the full converter is mean for us a two quadrant operation and either is a positive or a negative polarity. So that is mean for us a full quadrant. But this full converter, the output current has for us a only one polarity. Then dual converter, so the dual converter is operates in a four quadrants. Both the output voltage and current is either as a positive or a negative. Okay. So here this is a comparison. So semi converter only you have for us a one polarity. Then polarity means either is a positive or a only positive or a negative. But full converter it is possible either it will be as a receive as a positive or a negative. Then for dual converter is a converts both voltage and current will be as per a positive and a negative.